Hi everyone, I'm Chris Gwyneth Karen, a BE Ad student, second year. So for today's video, you will know the advantages and the disadvantages of some resources of energy here in the Philippines. So the first one is the petroleum. The advantages of petroleum is it pays well and has much brighter future than the other profession. And the disadvantage is it puts the world at risk by increasing the likelihood of widespread of layoffs. Now let's proceed to solar. Solar energy. So the advantages is it limitless and renewable, so it is suitable in rural and remote places. And even though the equipment collectors and devices used are made in large factories, no pollution is produced during the process of generating solar energy from the heat emitted by the sun's ray. So the disadvantages is it is difficult to generate power from solar energy in areas where sunlight is not located. As a result, they are unstable or unable to generate electricity 24/7. Now let's proceed to wind power. The advantages of it is clean, suitable form of energy, and that is also one of the most cost effective. And the disadvantage is the wind turbine can be noisy and unpleasant and harm the physical environment, and also intermittent, meaning that the turbines are dependent on the weather can generate electricity 24/7. Now let's proceed to nuclear power plant. The advantages of nuclear power plant include being one of the world's natural resources, as well as reducing air pollution and generating a large amount of electricity faster than other types of electrical energy. The disadvantage is it releases a radioactive waste, which is hazardous not only to the environment but also to human. Next is the hydroelectric power plant. The advantages is it is a clean and sustainable energy source that works well with other renewable energy technologies and can be used to meet peak electricity demand. Now the disadvantage. It harms the environment and is often expensive to construct. Now lastly, the coal-fired power plant. The advantages of it is it expand their loads quickly and avoiding blackouts. It also make it a cost-effective power source. It is more advanced versions of well-known and proven technology. And the disadvantage is it is emit a considerable amount of hazardous emissions, which are direct introduced into atmosphere and suspected of contributing to global warming. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something for today. That's all.